Top news summary, as of Wednesday, October 29, 2025.
World news. The situation remains volatile in the Middle East. Israel has launched strikes on Gaza, claiming Hamas violated a truce, though Hamas denies the claim. Cyclone Montha has made landfall on India's Andhra coast with winds reaching 100 km per hour, prompting red alerts in Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. A major storm, Hurricane Melissa, made landfall in Jamaica as a Category 5 hurricane, bringing catastrophic winds and flooding that are described as a storm of the century. In the U.S., the government shutdown is ongoing, leading to missed paychecks for federal aviation workers and concerns about food stamp, SNAP disruption. President Donald Trump met with families of Japanese citizens abducted by North Korea, reaffirming U.S. support for their cause. A mysterious interstellar object named 3I Atlas, larger and faster than previous ones, is passing through our solar system, raising scientific curiosity.
Economy news. The global economy is described as simultaneously resilient and fragile, adjusting to geopolitical, trade, and technology shocks. The IMF projects global growth to slow from 3.3% in 2024 to 3.2% in 2025, with risks tilted to the downside due to uncertainty and protectionism. The Federal Reserve is expected to cut interest rates by 25 basis points at today's FOMC meeting, possibly signaling the end of quantitative tightening, QT. Bank of Japan Governor Ueda remains cautious about rate hikes amid global economic uncertainties, though a move could come by early next year. Trump and South Korean President Lee Jae-myung are meeting in Gyeongju to finalize a U.S.-Korea tariff deal that could impact $350 billion in trade. Financial leaders at the Future Investment Initiative in Riyadh expressed strong confidence that the United States will continue to dominate global investment flows despite concerns about its debt burden and elevated AI-driven valuations.
Finance news. Policymakers are being urged to strengthen oversight of non-bank financial intermediaries due to their increasing interconnectedness with banks, which could exacerbate adverse shocks. Global stock markets surged to record highs. For example, Apple Incorporated and Microsoft Corporation each reached market valuations exceeding $4 trillion, driven by AI-related growth and investor optimism about interest rate cuts. Amazon is cutting 14,000 jobs as the retail giant reportedly moves to rely more on AI agents to replace human workers. Meta Platforms may announce one of Wall Street's largest stock splits today, with speculation driven by its $2 trillion valuation and $700 plus share price. Camping World Holdings will release its Q3 earnings today, with a pre-market call scheduled. Market attention is focused on the Federal Reserve's policy meeting, which could influence stock trends and investor sentiment.
Technology news. The ongoing layoffs at companies like Amazon are being linked to an accelerated push for AI, with the company's CEO referencing AI agents in its future. This highlights the growing pressure on young workers to adapt to the rapidly evolving workplace. A zero-day vulnerability in the Google Chrome browser was exploited to deliver spyware by the Italian firm Memento Labs, according to security firm Kaspersky. The flaw has since been patched. PayPal announced a deal with OpenAI to embed its digital payment wallet into ChatGPT, integrating finance and generative AI technology. The tech world also saw two major device AI launches. Oppo's flagship phone Find X9 Pro with a massive battery, 7,500 mAh, and 200-megapixel telephoto lens was revealed. Gemini for Home, a home voice assistant from Google LLC, began early access rollout to Nest smart speakers displays. Nothing Phone 3a Lite, a budget smartphone with LED design, is launching today. It features a minimalist look and is expected to be priced around 20,000 Indian rupees. Various governments and financial institutions are showcasing advanced digital transformation initiatives in public finance and financial services at global tech events, like GITEX Global. Emerging tech trends for 2025 include AI automation tools, nanotech, and energy innovations, as highlighted by the World Economic Forum.